This is a real quick movie I'm putting together to test the lock. Obviously, waiting until I get out into the field would be a bad time to do this. I'm doing this now and talking with a couple of other people on the forum. So this is the position of the flint, which we've already determined this one's a bit short in the half position, right? And I've already taken some photos of it in the full forward. I'm going to pull it all the way back, right? I'm going to pull it up off of this towel slightly. I'm going to fire it and check for spark here. So it does produce spark, and just to see, this is the full forward position after the fact. I've got it nice and snug now, and the flint is not moving anymore in the jaws. I've made it considerably tighter, and it's hitting evenly, it's striking evenly now as well. So I might do that again just to make sure. So I'll do that just one more time. I don't want to burn up the fire. I got a lot of flint, but I don't want to do this needlessly. But for testing purposes, right? Also gives me a chance to feel the action of the trigger. So the set one feels nice. Pay a bit more attention. We'll get this in position. Okay, there we go. So here we are. Yeah, it's a decent amount of spark right there. Okay, very good. So now at least I have a video documenting this. Thanks for watching.